In a bid to crack down on poachers in the Kaziranga National Park, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma had directed to bring in 6 highly trained sniper dogs to free the park from poachers. So how does this dog squad operate in the deep jungles of the KNP? Well, ever since the Chief Minister's directive, the 6 dogs, Karina, Sophie, Jubi, Agni, Rini and Nova, have become sentinels of the national park, guarding the animals of the forest round the clock against the scourge of poachers. One of the canines recovered 17 rounds of live ammunition along with a 303 rifle from the Burha Pahar forest area last year. The dog Jubi was also able to capture several poachers. The dog squad is deployed 24 hours a day in the national park, and the forest department has arranged a special exhibition for 2 days. Along with the animals inside the national park itself, tourists in large numbers have also been flocking to see the canine squad exhibition.
Karina etor moi Bhopal training kori ahisilo bon bibhagor hoy Bhopalot training kori ahisilo 9 mah etor apunar prothom eta case dhorisile apunar Kazirangat murder case apunar homeguard eneke murder kori thoisile tat murder case dhorisile aru apunar ei bigoto ei 2024 sonor apunar ei hathiar ek 303 rifle aru 17000 guli hei search kori bhalke hei koisile